fix USB devices disconnected automatically on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run command box. And here execute the command mstt-exeid device diagnostic to run hardware troubleshooters. Hardware and devices troubleshooter windows will appear. Here click on Advanced tab to apply repairs automatically and press Next, and let the window complete the detecting problems and fix them accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on the Start button and choose Device Manager. Here go to USB serial bus controller section, expand it, right click on your USB device and choose Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers and apply this process one by one for all the universal serial bus controllers, universal serial bus devices and managers. Apply one by one for all these USB device drivers. If this method does not work, simply expand USB controllers and uninstall this. First choose properties and go to power management and make the check against option. Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power and press OK to save the changes. And if this method does not work, simply right click on it and uninstall device. After that, restart your system, and after restarting system, select universal serial bus controller, right click on it and choose a scan for hardware changes. System will automatically install USB controllers for your system. The next method is open control panel. Type CP in Windows search and open control panel. Here click on view by, choose large icons and go to power options. In power option, choose or customize a power plan and change plan settings. Here go to change advanced power settings and here expand USB settings. Under advanced setting windows, expand USB settings. Expand USB selective suspend settings. And on battery and plugged in both should be disabled. Choose disabled. And finally click on apply, then OK to save the changes. The next method is scan your system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute DISM tool first. DISM tool, scan health, check health and restore health. Apply all these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, execute SFC scan now command to scan your system for corrupted files and repair them accordingly. That's all.